Hey everybody, Alex Ryan here. Now, if you have an Amazon store and you're not too sure how to sell your products better than your competitors, a lot of it does come down to you sponsoring or advertising your products. There's a few ways to actually to really be put up there in the rankings and to sell better than your competitors. First of all, you sponsor your ads, right? You pay a little bit extra. The second is you have better sales copy. So you write the copy on your text, your descriptions, your headlines a little bit better than your competitors, all right? That's one way. Or the second way. You have better pictures, right? That's another way. Have at least 10 pictures, some really good pictures that are better than your competitors. Next is have videos. That's something I would recommend all my clients do. Always have videos on their Amazon listings, all right? Makes a huge difference. What else do I use in my Amazon store? I'm just trying to think right now. Have about 3 or 4 different products that complement your product. So if you're selling bicycles, make sure you sell bicycle pumps, high-vis gear, safety helmets, that kind of stuff. Have stuff that complements your product. Don't just sell one product. You're not going to make a lot of money. And trust, this is coming from someone who started multiple stores. I've sold about 50 different products, different little products on Amazon, right? I've tried a lot of different things, and with Amazon, you've got to be selling not just one product, about 3 or 4 products in that niche, all right? Because what you'll find is your customer who buy one product from you will probably buy other products from you if you had them for sale. So definitely check that out, guys. And there's a whole bunch of other stuff as well, guys, that I'm obviously missing out here. On my web store, on my website, check it out. I've got a lot of really good strategies, a lot of free tips on there that help you get started with whether it's Amazon, whether it's importing. Maybe you're looking to start a Shopify business. Maybe you're looking to start a whole, sell products on your web store. Definitely check out my web store. I've got a free video program showing you how to get started. Talk to you real soon, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.